People that are meant to be together always find their way in the end. I don't really think people can change. You know, at the end of the day, you are who you are, and it's probably who you've always been. You're really good for her.
And I'm not sure she can find her way without you.
Here I am waiting, I'll have to leave soon. Why am I holding on? We knew this day would come, we knew it all along. How did it come so fast? This is our last night, but it's late, and I'm trying not to sleep, 'cause I know when I wake I will have to slip away. And when the daylight comes I'll have to go, but tonight I'm gonna hold you so close, 'cause in the daylight we'll be all alone, but tonight I need to hold you so close.